Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make boiled chicken salad. First, select about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken. Either breasts or thighs work perfectly. Place your chicken in a pot and cover it completely with water or chicken broth for added flavor. Bring the liquid to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cook the chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your chicken is fully cooked, carefully remove it from the pot and place it on a cutting board or plate. Let it cool for a few minutes until it's comfortable to handle. Now, grab 2 forks and start shredding the chicken into bite-sized pieces. This method is super easy and quick. It's important that the chicken cools completely before you move on to the next step, as this prevents your salad from becoming watery. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. It really helps the channel. On another note, speaking of comfort, you know what else makes life better? Darn tough socks. Seriously, life's too short for cheap socks, and these come with a lifetime warranty. Check the description below for the link to Darn Tough socks and other awesome deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the fun part, mixing your salad. In a large bowl, combine your cooled, shredded chicken with about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of finely diced celery, and 2 tablespoons of minced red onion. Season generously with salt and black pepper to taste. For an extra kick, consider adding a teaspoon of dried dill or a pinch of paprika. Mix everything thoroughly until all ingredients are well combined and coated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.